Welcome to Luxury Car, your ultimate destination for everything fast, powerful, and breathtaking on wheels. Today, we bring you a truly thrilling story of muscle, style, and heritage. Sit back and immerse yourself in the world of the brand new 2026 Ford Mustang Shelby GT350, a name that already commands respect in the performance car world, just got even more exciting. And in the next few minutes, you'll know exactly why this machine is capturing the imagination of car lovers everywhere. The Shelby GT350 has always been about pure driving passion, and the 2026 model stays true to that tradition while pushing boundaries in design and engineering. Just one look at its aggressive, yet sleek silhouette tells you this isn't just another sports car. It's a perfect blend of classic Mustang DNA and cutting-edge innovation. Ford has worked tirelessly to sculpt a body that is not only beautiful to look at, but aerodynamically refined to slice through the air with minimal resistance. Every curve and crease is purposeful, from the deep front splitter and the widened grille to the subtle rear diffuser and striking quad exhausts that hint at the beast lurking under the hood. Speaking of what's under the hood, this year's GT350 comes alive with a re-engineered naturally aspirated V8 engine. It roars with more power and responsiveness than ever before, giving drivers the kind of connection to the road that only a Shelby can. The sound of that V8 revving to its redline is nothing short of intoxicating, a raw mechanical symphony that fills the cabin and thrills your senses every time you press the accelerator. Ford has kept the manual transmission as an option, delighting purists who crave that visceral experience of shifting gears themselves. It's not just about speed, it's about feeling every ounce of power and control as you carve through winding roads or unleash it on a straight stretch of asphalt. Inside the cabin, Ford has crafted a space that balances sportiness with modern comfort. Premium materials wrap the driver-focused cockpit, with supportive racing-inspired seats that hug you through tight corners while keeping you comfortable on longer journeys. The digital displays are crisp and intuitive, giving you all the information you need without distracting from the pure driving experience. And of course, Ford's latest infotainment system keeps you connected, whether you're setting up your driving modes, enjoying your favorite playlist, or simply letting the exhaust note provide all the music you need. What really sets the 2026 Shelby GT350 apart is how it feels to drive. Ford's engineers have tuned the suspension and chassis to deliver razor-sharp handling while maintaining a surprising level of ride comfort. Every steering input feels precise and immediate, the brakes bite hard and consistently, and the whole car feels like an extension of your own body as you push it harder and harder. It's a car that begs to be driven, that rewards skill and confidence behind the wheel, and that turns every drive into a memorable event. Even in a world increasingly dominated by electric and hybrid vehicles, the GT350 reminds us why we fell in love with cars in the first place. It's a celebration of power, emotion, and connection. Ford has ensured that this car is not just a machine, but a statement that performance and passion still matter, and that the Mustang name continues to stand tall among the greats. The 2026 Ford Mustang Shelby GT350 isn't just a car. It's a legend reborn, refined for a new era yet deeply rooted in its rich heritage. For anyone who loves the thrill of driving, this car is a dream that roars to life every time you start the engine. Thank you for spending your time with us here on Luxury Car. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the stunning 2026 Ford Mustang Shelby GT350, make sure to stay tuned for more stories of the world's most exciting automobiles. This is Luxury Car signing off.